from the street and over to the driveway. The driveway leads to your very own man cave workshop on concrete. Front entry features leaded glass door with side lights and transom above. It has a formal den or study, which has a closet, so it could be used as a fourth bedroom. And then it also has your formal dining space with a nice big picture window, elegant chandelier, and crown molding. The main room has large picture windows with gorgeous plantation shutters. It is wide and open with crown molding, a Bose surround sound speaker system, and then open concept kitchen with stained wood cabinets, pantry, under cabinet lighting, built-in microwave oven, and nice pull-out drawers. Master suite has plantation shutters and a nice tray ceiling with crown molding. Leads to a very spacious master bath with double vanities, lots of drawers, marble in the shower, which is an oversized shower, and also marble in the soaking tub. It's his and hers closets and a private potty closet as well. Oversized garage with storage space, utility sink, and sprinkler system. The yard is spacious for an interior lot. It has a nice oversized covered patio. It also has a sprinkler system with lush grass, the man cave workshop, and an extra storage building. Mockingbird Hill Estates is conveniently located near schools, shopping, and Interstate 30 with one way in and one way out. Thank you for viewing my video. Don't forget, the best way to know for sure is to come see for yourself.